nag-i-snow na siya, yung mga white na yan. So, bakit na kami para makita ang snow? Excited na? Oh my God! Ayun na yung snow, pumapasok na. Yeah, we're here! Nag-i-snow na siya. Nakita nyo. First time to. Hi kayo!
Hello, welcome to Georgia.
Someone says enjoying too much.
It's head first.
No.
Imagine.
You are snowman.
We're like in the movie, no?
Yeah.
Ano yung mga movie? Yung Mount Everest. O, paano naman gusto mong slide? Slide! Slide ka kasi.
He's enjoying too much.
Slide ka pababa pag gano'n, eh.
I want to go skiing.
Ako niya
No, ski still
6
closed.
minutes arrows.
Sige.
Can you please bury me alive?
Here! Wag dyan! Oh! Snow! So ito yung sinasabi mo kahapon na yung malapit na sa border ng Russia.
At the back is the Russia.
We saw.
Taas na namin, guys. Kanina nandun lang kami. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Yung ilong ko namumula sa sobrang lamig. Tsaka sobrang hingal kapag aakyat ka.
Stop the clock.
Pababa na ulit kami. And grabing struggle pag akyat dito. Kung alam nyo lang. Hingal na hingal kami. Tapos may sipon pa ako. So grabe. Apo. Ingat ka. Pababa na kami, guys. Grabe. Sobrang hirap umakyat. Grabe yung hingal ko. Alam mo yung feeling ko kanina na Akala ko hindi ko makakaya kasi hingal na hingal ako. Pero nakayanan namin. It's like a sakit, girl. Grabe. Yung ilong ko, pulang-pula. Dito kayo manggagaling. Pataas doon. Grabe yung hapok namin kanina. Pero we survive. Appear naman dyan, oh. Let's go. Yeah, next stop, I don't know. But for sure, enjoy naman kami sa lahat ng stopovers namin. No? Grabe, the best. Sa snow, solid na. Grabe. Snow. And look at the mountains. So, nag-snow na sila. Grabe. Can you show your hotdog? Oh. Wow! Ganun talaga yung hotdog nila, no? Sa loob. Puro donut. Stop over muna to eat the hotdogs. May hotdogs din kami kinuha pa ni Nico. Then, bumili din siya ng donuts kasi nagre-request yung batang makulit ng donuts from Dunkin' Donut. But, we're still here in the mountain. So, ito lang yung meron. Dog of mommy is already here. Trip in Georgia. Now donuts naman.
Meron palang hot. There's actually hot.
He took from the shoe and put it in the mouth.
We're here in Carrefour, so we're buying for Kuya Joel. We'll check from here. Hindi kasi kaya lahat talaga mabigyan dahil nga kulang sa bagahe, no? 5 lang, no? Hanggang 5 lang. Go na inside. Yan, balik na kami ng... Look at naman to. Wala kaming plastic. Dala-dala namin siya.
Ayaw ko may picture ba?
Ito po. Can you please pick this up for me? This one po, oh. Open the lights. Day to dinner. Itong binili naming noodles sa Carrefour. Yan. Tapos, yung tira namin kanina na, anong tawag dito, ano? Chinkali? Something like that. Basta yung tira kanina, dun sa dinaanan. Kasi yan, nagpapainit lang ako ng tubig. Yan, nakaligo na kami. And look at this. Ito yung mga kailangan ligpitin pa. Plus, ito pang mga dumi dito. Kasi bukas, ayan, kailangan pala ito ipasok yung mga wine na nabili. Kasi bukas, pag alis natin ng alas 10, hindi na tayo babalik dito sa, Airbnb. Dito sa hotel. Diretso na tayo. Ihatid na tayo ni Nico. After ng mag-city tour, ihatid niya na tayo sa airport. Walang maligo. Yung mami niya, nag-jebs pa. Alam mo naman yun, lagi nag-jebs. Tapos, ayan, waiting na lang. Kasi kakain na kami. Kami naman kakain. Tapos na kumain sa Eros. Tapos, yun nga, sa sinasabi ko kanina, diretso na kasi kami. Bukas is third day. So, magsi-city tour pa kami. Kasi kinabukasan pa yung flight namin. Pero, magsi-city tour kami hanggang gabi. Bibili ng mga pasalubong, gano'n, anything. Tapos, ikot-ikot ulit within this area sa Tbilisi. Bago kami bumalik papuntang Kutaisi, which is dun kami sasakay ng airplane pabalik ng Abu Dhabi. Ayun, guys. So, nag-enjoy ka naman kanina, Eros. Super. Super enjoy yung bata. Tsaka, ang sabi ni Nico, ang swerte namin kasi kahapon daw, wala pang snow. So, kanina lang talaga bumagsak yung snow nung pumunta kami. So, diba? Yun yung habol talaga namin. Which is, dapat talaga ang snow is in December. Kaso nga, wala nga time. Gawa ng sa work is napagbigyan lang nitong ganitong dates. Napakaswerte na namin para ma-experience namin yung snow. Grabe, ang dami namin pictures doon and videos sa snow. Kasi nga, first time namin. So, alam mo yung excitement namin para kami bumalik sa pagkabata. Higa-higa kami sa snow. Nagbabatuan kami ng snow. Gumawa siya ng snowman. May picture siya doon. Tapos, umakyat tayo doon sa pinaka-peak, diba? Sabi ni Nico. Tapos, marunong na siya mag-drive. Tinuruan siya mag-drive. Marunong na rin niya car wash. Tinuruan na rin Kuya Nico niya. So, ayun lang. So, we'll see tomorrow kung ano bang makikita pa namin here in Georgia. Bye! So, yun guys. Update lang. Nalagay na namin lahat ng gamit dito. And then, yung backpack niya is lalagay namin yung mga susuotin na pang tour bukas. Which is yung nandito. Yan. Kasi makapal-kapal pa to eh. Tapos ito, puno na din siya. So, we don't have choice but to leave these boots here. Kasi ito yung gagamitin namin pa uwi, which is the rubber shoes. So, bye-bye boots. Only one use kami sa boots. Mayaman ang mga lola mo. Alin?
Alam po guys, iwan namin para pagpunta dito na isang visitor. Hindi sila kailangan bili.
Paano natin sasabihin? Benta na lang natin sa baba. Or kaya, pwede donate na lang natin to. Para kung sino yung mga walang pambili na ng boots, bibigay natin. Kasi diba naranasan mo kanina sobrang lamig. Pag wala kang boots, kawawa ka na, manginginig ka sa lamig. Babay ka na. Good night ka na sa kanila. See you tomorrow. Mag-cable car kami tomorrow. Tsaka pupunta kami dun sa Mother of Georgia and dun sa parang Eiffel Tower dito sa Tbilisi. Bye! Guys, ni-recommend sa amin to ni Nico, yung tourist guide namin. So, ito yung Royal Dream alcoholic shop. Then, ito is this is the name. Just read it. I don't want to, toot on the bitch. Yeah.
Small show. Wait.
We're trying to open the hindi talaga.
Me. What's up sa'yo?
Let's try the half.
Nangirap.
Galing ni natanggal niya to. Very good.
Ano to? One ano? dito, Algin. Nalusaw na yung... Dadaling kita ng snow, pero nalusaw na. Tapos ininom ko yung water. Snow.
Guys, sakto lang itong Royal Dream. Mas bet ko yung ito. Can I borrow po niyan? Ito po, guys. Mas gusto ko to. Ang sarap niya. Sana may ganito sa UAE.
911 rin siya.
Ang sarap nito. Nag-try kami ng mga alcoholic drink nila dito. Ano lang naman to? 5.5. Pampatulog lang. Kasi dapat talaga yung beer na in-order namin dun sa restaurant, which is yung HB beer. Kaso lang, walang available daw. Hindi sa lahat ng stores. Guys, second round. This one is Bora Bora. Basil Beauty. Ito sinigo kung ano-anong kinaano sa amin. Well, we'll try it. Kasi dito lang ata doon. Dito lang ba to? I think so, no? This is our second bottle lang. Pampatulog lang. Yung isang bata doon, ayun, tulog na siya. So, while watching, I'm happy. I'm happy for you.
Ayun, I'm happy for you.
Morning, guys! It's our third day here in Georgia. So, city tour naman tayo, no? Yeah. After the snow kahapon, city tour naman. So, chill lang. Today, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Kasi, anong oras na nga? Time check? It's 8:28. 8:28. Then, 8 o'clock nagbubukas yung breakfast buffet sa baba. Then, bumili kami kape kahapon kasi nga, black coffee yung kape doon. So, kailangan namin mag-energize nung kape. Hindi ka mabubuhay na walang kape. And yung bata sa likod ay nag-exercise. Nag-exercise namin para maubos sa energy. Bye! Day 3. Ito na outfit namin for today. Tapos may coat pa. May coat siya. Tapos meron din akong ganun jacket. Siya yun. Thank you! Nakabait naman po. Nalungan kami. Woo! Kahit maaraw, malamig pa din. Yan. Delisi View Hotel. Ayan yung itsura sa morning. May dumadaan palang bus dito. Bye! Say bye!
Bye! Fall in line because you're too much.
Burger.
LOL!
And we can put here one-way ticket for the cable car. Because later I'll put you inside. I'll take car up on a mountain where the Eiffel Tower and everything. And going down, we will use car.
Oh.
So we don't have to go back twice. So, that's our king. Will goes there too. I'll tell you about him.
King of Georgia.
Or
diba, ano sila? Parliamentary.
Wait. If there's a mother of Georgia, that means there's father in Georgia, brother in Georgia, sister in Georgia, baby in Georgia.
So, ba maging baby in Georgia ka?
No need.
Ilalagay namin, hindi statue, ikaw mismo. LOL!
Titirin ka namin. Eros in Georgia. Ganun.
Yeah.
No need.
Country. And king was many kings used to live there, and one of them already in end of 3rd century was King Vakhtang Gorgasali. Gorgasali translates as wolf head. Because
Wolf head?
His nickname was Wolf Head because one time he was a very strong warrior. He was 2 meters 40 centimeters tall. How they tell about him? He was always fighting in the first line. His sword was so heavy that only he could carry, and wolf's head on his helmet with the blood and everything to scare enemies. And the enemy started calling him Wolf Head, Gorgasali. Become his nickname. That's how he's known. And then he was. Let's continue. In the forest. After some time, he asked them. The oldest building of the city.
What is that?
Saan tayo pupunta?
The biggest church here in Georgia.
Kanina yung oldest church. So, ngayon nasa biggest church na. Naghahanap lang ng park.
Sunday kasi yun.
Mass day today.
Yeah, the last time.
Going to the oldest church here in Georgia. Medyo nagpark kami dun sa gilid kasi nga masyadong madaming tao since Sunday today. So, ayan. Yun. Silipin lang namin. Ayan, para makapag-largest. Pero mas malaki pa rin yung nasa ano. This is the secret unburial. We go from here. This is secret unburial.
This is the only places. Our father, Virgin Church, is now very old, 86, 87 years old. He's hardly moving, but when there's special days, he's still coming and talking to people and saying the message if you want.
Yun yung difference between Orthodox and Catholic. Tayo, Catholic Pope sila. Ito yung sinusunod. There's Gregorian leader. Yan. This is the son of Georgia.
Hi guys.
What is that
So,
statue?
We are here in Chronicles of Georgia.
Okay. But we need to go upstairs so you can use the bathroom. CR.
CR? Or restroom?
That's
Want to go to the...
Chronicles of Georgia. Tayo ka dyan, tapos picture ka para makita ng mga classmates mo.
Nandito talaga sa Georgia.
Ganon ka.
Ganon.
Smile. Tingin sa camera. Yan. Dalawang kamay. Ganon. Isa pa.
Sa camera, tingin sa camera. Yan. Gusto niya ganyan kasi para hindi siya maglalakad. Para tumahimik lang siya. Ginanya na siya ng tourist guide namin, girl. Diba? Napaka-spoiled niya kay Nico.
Oo. Kasi ang ingay-ingay niya, naiirita na rin yung parang tumahimik lang siya.
And it's full with meat. It's more focused on meat, not much on. They have salad, cucumber, tomato, and leaf, but it's more meat. And ketchup and mayonnaise. Green peppers are inside. They have marinated green peppers. So you can tell them to put, don't put at all, or put less, or put medium amount. But spicy level is same level. Spicy.
Here's for lunch, the Mac Shawarma. Ito daw yung pinakamasarap na shawarma dito sa Georgia.
You are okay with the ketchup?
I want drink.
Ayun yung shawarma.
Yun, yun naman. Mag-vlog na naman kayo. Mag-vlog. Wow.
Yung shawarma. Ito yung small, tapos ito yung pinakamalaki. Grabe, hindi mo kaya daw ubusin yun ng isang araw. Open the car para makasakay na si ano. Go inside. Ang feeling. Guys, imagine how.
Nahulog ko. Natapos lang yan.
Coffee ma-
Ayan, mas malaki
So
pa
many
sa kamay
people.
niya.
So many people inside, no sit, and they are so angry waiting for the
Waiting. Siyempre bagong luto. Yung sa kanya yung burger. Ayan, burger sa kanya.
Ay, kasi paano? Ang init eh. Bakit mainit pa rin?
Let's try. I did my first bite.
Ano ba yan?
This is the second one.
Ano
siksik na siksik talaga siya. Grabe.
Hindi pa bumili tayo ng papagainan.
Oo nga rin. Dapat nag-extra tayo, no? Kaso wala na.
Ang haba ng pila.
Sayang. Sarap. Ano yan? Pork shawarma burger. Show mo naman yung burger mo. Nasaan?
Oh,
Ang laki oh.